Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Jeep Cherokee with a key. First, locate the ignition cylinder, typically found on the right side of the steering column. Take your vehicle's key and gently insert it into the ignition slot. Make sure the key is pushed in all the way until it stops. This ensures a proper connection for the next steps and a smooth start. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise to the ACC position. This activates some accessories like the radio. Then, continue turning it further clockwise to the on position. At this point, you should see various warning lights illuminate on your dashboard, indicating that the vehicle's electrical systems are now active and performing self-checks. With the key in the on position, take a moment to observe your dashboard. You should see several warning lights, such as the battery, oil pressure, and check engine light, illuminate briefly and then turn off. This is a normal self-check. If any critical warning lights remain on, it might indicate an issue that needs attention before starting the engine. Finally, to start the engine, turn the key one more click clockwise to the start position. Hold it there for just a moment, usually 1 or 2 seconds, until you hear the engine crank and come to life. As soon as the engine starts, release the key and it will automatically spring back to the on position. You are now ready to drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.